What's good, YouTube? YouTube, this your boy Aristotle Investments, are with the Rari. So y'all know what it is. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. All right. So today we're going to discuss, should you be buying the dip? Crypto is dipping, stocks are dipping. And number two, what strategy should you use? How should you average in and things like that? And what stocks in particular am I looking at to buy the dip on? So let's get right into it, folks, without further ado. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So first of all, let's look at the data. Nothing really going on. Producer price index, consumer price index, never mind. CPI Wednesday, back with that. So yes, we do have a busy week ahead of us. Let's go look at some earnings reports real quick. Earnings. What are the stock twits? All right, let's see. E-Whispers. Let's see what we have. Nothing really going on. Adobe, DocuSign. Nothing that's really going to move the market. So look at BTC. BTC is on this trend line. So I do want to show people this real quick. This nice trend line that you see on BTC. Let's make it white so it could be even more visible. So we have the 200 daily EMA moving average, which is a strong support and resistance level. As you can see, it was once resistance here. Now it's support here. See that? So we see that it likes to oscillate below the 200 MA. It doesn't really like to stay below it, except during this time. This was a time period where it did. And as you can see how it bounced. So oscillate means going, above and below. So it's oscillating between the 200 MA. Right now it's at 80,000. In my opinion, could be a great buy area, and I would recommend averaging down into, this area right here is where, let's do a line where it'll show the actual price. So we're going to do a horizontal ray, and we can start right here. We make it white. There you go. So we're in that sweet spot area. This would be roughly 73K. So $7,000 down more. So it's already in the nice buy zone. We could move this zone about right here. All right, so that's about the buy zone. I like to draw boxes for zones. So I'm liking BTC. Let's do this zone a little bit. There we go. Make it half and half. And this is the area of first large add, because this is a break of big time all-time highs. I'm talking about, like, that thing was giving the market trouble for a minute. This 67K-ish mark right here. See that? So we can move this down a little bit more. Make it a little tighter. And that's what I see for Bitcoin. Let's go to SPY. And we have another 200 MA bounce. Let's see, is this a bullish engulfing? So this is this a bullish engulfing? Yes, it is, folks. So SPY has a bullish engulfing off the 200 MA, which could be a very high probability setup above, I'm going to say highs. You got to watch SPY. That could blow the top off. And Bitcoin could easily go. So we have SPY on a nice area of support, and it retested roughly this area. Almost did. Did it touch? Which was once all-time highs at one point in time. You see it bounce here before. Now it's bouncing, and now it has a 200 MA bullish engulfing. All right, we're bouncing off this area. Like I tell people, we're bullish into proving otherwise. So I'm going to say bull. I'm going to say we're going to bounce from here. Are we oversold on the RSI? What about some bearish, some bullish divergence? Slick. Let's go to QQQ. Off the 200 MA as well. So notice we have a pattern here. We got QQQ, SPY, and Bitcoin trading near daily 200 moving averages. But yet, let crypto guys tell it, there's no confluence between stocks and Bitcoin and all this other stuff. They're very, yeah. If I were you guys, I wouldn't listen to many Bitcoin influencers. They just say a bunch of bull crap. But yeah, again, it's the same. It's just another asset. Let's go to my top 3 picks. Before I do, make sure you guys check out my chat, folks. We went crazy. Like, my swings went crazy. I haven't lost a swing. And Mike is like 33 trades in a row. I'm like 12 trades in a row. And yeah, like, just been killing them. Can't really show down, but yeah, 8 for 8 swings on last week. And this week, continuing, sorry, to do that. Thank you guys for the bless yous. I know you guys will say it. But yeah, How was a good one. And if you go to the gains, testimonials, anything, you're just going to see just everybody printing. 1,200 in a week. Everybody just talking about how they making money. You can go in and see it for yourself. I'll post a link in the description. Make sure you guys tap in with our small account challenge, because that's where you're going to learn how to turn 1,000 into 10,000. And I'm going to spoon feed you the plays, as you can see. And I'm going to show you the account as it grows. So we're roughly at 2,300. So the account is up 130%, which is very good, you know. And you got to think, if my account is up 130% and an admin's account is up 130%, that's 260% plays. You get what I'm saying? So don't look at it as, oh, Aristotle, your account, because you got to think I'm calling plays and they're calling plays as well. So it looks slow, but if you really do the math, you're getting me doing it and you're getting my boy Rav doing it as well. You get what I'm saying? So that's the whole thesis behind it. He's up 130%. I'm up 130%. Mike is up like 50, 60%. You get what I'm saying? So if you add all of that up, and his swings are up 1,000%. So if you add it all up, you guys win. Let's get into my top 3 plays. Number 1, I was just on the plane. That's crazy. But Delta, pin bar off the 200 MA. That would be my number 1 for small accounts. Above 54.4 is a great entry point. So Delta above 54.4, great entry point. Could fill this little gap and continue upward. Then we have Tesla, which is majorly oversold, has bullish divergence on the RSI, is ready to make a turnaround pretty soon. Did it fill this gap? Oh, it did. Okay. So Tesla just wanted to come down and fill this gap right here. Now that it has filled this gap, it could literally turn up from here. It's off the 61.8, filled this entire gap, which that's what it wanted to do. Oversold on the RSI. Our RSI is bullish divergence. I think Tesla is a good large account swing. So Delta would be my favorite small account, and Tesla would be my favorite large account. And then you have Love. I like Love off this level. It's pin bar off this level, plus a little bullish divergence. So I like Love as well, Southwest Airlines. So I would say Love, Delta, bullish divergence as well on the RSI and MACD. So Love, Delta, and Tesla would be my top 3, folks. All right. Now, again, make sure you guys tap in. If you want my exact entries, tap into the chat because I'll let you guys know when I enter these verbatim inside the chat, and I will be getting into other plays. All right. We have a lot of good dip buys. Let's go check the overall market real quick. Go check the top 8 stocks and where they are. Apple, I don't really like. Meta looks good. Amazon looks great. Another 200. So think about it. Everybody is retesting the 200 mate at the same time. Amazon looks great. Microsoft. Ooh, NVIDIA. Almost some bullish divergence. NVIDIA here. AMD. AMD, great long-term buy here. Great long-term buy for AMD. Looks like Disney wants to fill this gap. Netflix could go. Got some trend line bounce right here. So again, folks, we're bullish until proven otherwise. Don't ever bet bearish until it's time to bet bearish. XYZ as well. Great long-term portfolio ad. Other than that, you guys tap in. It's your boy Aristotle. We out.